kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to teach you how you can use the bottom navigation view using the ViewPager in Kotlin language in Android Studio. Alright, so first of all I will show you the demo of the application. So here I have connected my device, and now here let me open the app, and from there you can see we have three tabs: the bottom navigation view, and in here you can see we have home, videos, and about. Alright, so we have used this one as the toolbar, then we have used the view pager, and below that we have the bottom navigation view. So in this way we can have the three fragments, and we can use the fragments to display the using the view pager. So guys, let's get started. So here we have the main activity, and you guys can see that I already have created the project. So after this we will design. So first of all, here we will have the toolbar. So we will write, make sure that you use the androidx.appcompact.widget, and here we will select it match parent, and we will write wrap the content for the height. Then we will set the ID of the toolbar, and we can have a background, and in this example we will use the purple 500, the color, and then we can say color, sorry, and the color will be white. Alright, and after that we will be using the view pager. So here we can say like view pager match parent, and here we will set the ID of the view pager, and here we can use the bottom navigation view, and it will be the match parent and wrap the content, and then we will set some the gravity of it to be okay. So instead of the gravity we can say bottom line parent bottom, and we have to make it to true. Then we have to set the background color, the tint color. So for that we can use item text color, and the color will be white. Alright, and then we can say item icon tint, and it's also white, and we have the labeled visibility mode, and it will be labeled, and we have to set the background it to be purple 500, and then we have to use the menu, and here we will use the menu the bottom, and here we have this menu. I already have created the menu. So here we have item, then we have the another item, and these are the three items here. Alright, so after this, now you can see view pager is coming on to this bottom navigation view. So what we can do is we can say it like below the toolbar and above the, let me set the ID of it. Okay, so now we have designed the XML part of this, and now we have to go to our main activity file, and in here we can use the initialize. First of all, let init view bottom navigation view, then we can use let init view pager, let init var toolbar, and then we will have the array list. So we can say private value m fragment list, array list of type fragment. Okay, and after this we are going to okay, it's showing me an error. Okay, so here we can say bottom navigation view equal to find view by ID. Then we have the toolbar. Then we have the ViewPager. Alright, and after that we have the functions set toolbar. Then we have the set ViewPager and set bottom navigation. Alright, so first of all create the set toolbar private fun, and in here we will use the spot action bar dot title, and it will be home because home will be the first title. And instead of to remove this error we can use this, and then we can say set spot action bar, and it's like the toolbar. Okay, so now so it's giving an error, so you have to go to this and sync project with Gradle files. So in this way the error will be removed. So after that we have to set up the ViewPager. So we can say private fun set ViewPager, and here what we are going to do is we can say, okay, so before that let's create this method also, and cut it and let me paste it below this, and let me create a fragment. So we will create a Kotlin class, and the first one will be the home fragment, and we have to extend it with fragment class. And similarly we can copy it, we can paste it. Instead of home we can say video fragment. Then we have the another about fragment. Okay, so all our fragments have been created. So after this we have to set up the ViewPager. So for that we can say value home fragment equal to alright, similarly value video fragment equal to, then we have value about fragment equal to about fragment. Alright, and now first of all we have to set it the array list to clear the array list, and then add all these things into the array list. So for that we can simply say fragment list dot clear, and then we can use fragment list dot add. We will first of all add the home fragment, and similarly we will add the remaining fragments inside our list. So here we have video fragment, and we have the about fragment. And yes, now after this we have to send this array list to our adapter. So we have to create an adapter, but before that let me write ViewPager dot set off screen page limit, and it will be 3. And okay, so now let me create an adapter class. So for that we will create a new Kotlin class, and that class will be the fragment adapter. So here we can use my fragment adapter. Okay, and inside this we have to create the constructor. So for this constructor class we can say it like fragment manager fragment manager, and then we have to receive the array list here. So we can say like m fragment list of type array list, and it will be of the type fragment. Alright, this is the constructor, and after this we have to extend it with the fragment pager adapter. So we can say fragment pager adapter, and inside that we can send the fragment manager. Alright, so here let me write public. Okay, let me implement the two methods, the get count and get item. And after this, first of all we have to initialize use the constructor. So we can use the init command, and inside that let me say like this. Okay, so before that let me initialize the array list. So here we can say private value m fragment title list equal to array list of type string, and another one which we have to use is private value m fragment list equal to array list of type fragment. Alright, then inside our init we can say like this dot m fragment list equal to m fragment list, and it's showing me an error. Okay, so we have to change it to variable because we are now making it equal to the list. So after this we can say m fragment title list dot add, and so first of all we will have home, then we will have fragment title list dot add videos m fragment title list dot add about. Alright, so after this we inside our get count we can return the size of the array list. So here we can say return m fragment list dot size, and inside our get item we can return m fragment list position, okay. And here we will have to implement another method, and that is the get page title, and instead of the returning super we can return m fragment title list dot get, and inside that we can pass on our position variable here. Alright, so we have these things ready, the adapter is ready, and now we have to go back to our main activity file, and inside that we can say it like value adapter equal to my fragment adapter, and inside here we can write support fragment manager and m fragment list, and then we can simply say ViewPager dot adapter equal to adapter. Okay, so now we have to use the add on page change of listener, so that we whenever the view is changed, so we have to change the text of the toolbars. Okay, so here we can use the ViewPager dot add on page change listener, and inside that we can say object on page change listener, and inside that we can have the we have to override some methods, and the first one is on page scrolled. Let me write it like this. We have to implement the other methods also. So here on page scroll changed, and inside the on page selected, so here we can write the code. So here we can say bottom navigation view dot get menu dot get item, and inside that we can pass on our the position, and we can say dot set checked and make it true. Then we can check if I equal to 0, or if the position is equal to 0, then we can say spot action bar dot title equal to home. Then we have else if position is equal to 1, title equal to videos, else if position equal to 2, spot action bar dot title equal to about. Alright, so after this, alright, now we have to go to the set bottom navigation view method, and inside that we have to use the on set on item click set on item selected listener, so that whenever the item is selected we have to set the view pager to that item. Alright, so here first of all we have to write like bottom navigation view dot set on item selected listener. Inside that we have to use menu item, we have to use the lambda, and here we can use when menu item dot item id, and inside that first of all let me write true. Okay, so here now we have to, inside the when statement, we have to check dot id dot menu home. Then similarly for our the remaining menu videos and menu about. Alright, so inside our this menu home we can say ViewPager dot set current item, and it will be 0. Then we can say spot action bar dot set title equal to home, and similarly for our remaining parts we can say like this 1, and we have the video and we have the about. Alright guys, so that was it. So if we run the application and we can check if these are working or not. Alright guys, so after I ran the application I am getting the null pointer exception reset to toolbar. So before that we have to set set the spot action bar here, and then we can change the title. Okay, so now I will run the application again and let's see if it works. Alright guys, yes, so now it is working. So here we have the home, fragment, video and about. So yes, alright guys, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.